Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Contractors. ClickGuard intelligently identifies and blocks all types of worthless clicks on your Google Ads to eliminate wasteful clicks on autopilot. ClickGuard's unique approach and highly customizable technology creates a multitude of benefits for Google Ads clients. Eliminate fraud and all wasteful clicks from your Google Ads. Target leads that are more likely to convert with real-time optimization. Get your ads in front of the right people who are likely to convert. Maximize campaign ROI with intent optimization rules. Most effective click fraud protection. Elite Google Ads professionals consistently rate ClickGuard as the best click fraud protection platform for effectiveness, features, and value on G2 Crowd, Crozdesk, TrustRadius, TrustPilot, and more. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.